Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money through MoneyGram online. First, open the MoneyGram app or website and then create an account. To do this, enter your email address, password and mobile number. You can choose to activate Face ID. I'll click No Thanks. Next, you'll need to provide a bit more information about yourself, including your first and last name, country of birth, date of birth and address. After that, you'll see a few more options. For example, you can choose whether you'd like to earn discounts when sending money and how you would like to be notified about MoneyGram Plus rewards via email, text, or both. Then check the box to agree to the MoneyGram Plus rewards terms, review the terms and conditions, and click Yes, sign up. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. The available verification options may vary depending on your location. Once that's done, click on Send at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can choose where you want to send the money to. For example, I'll select the Philippines, but you can also use the search bar at the top to find a country. Now, choose how much money you want to send. For instance, if I want to send 25 euros, I'll enter that amount, and it will show how much the recipient will receive. Next, select your payment method. You can use a credit or debit card or an online bank transfer. I'll choose a credit card. Then, select the method by which the recipient will receive the money. This may vary depending on the country you selected. For example, in my case, mobile wallet is an option, but it might not be available for other countries. Note that the conversion rates may differ slightly based on the method you choose. I'll select Direct to Bank Account. At the bottom of the screen, click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll need to fill in your recipient's payment details. If you selected an e-wallet, for example, you'll need to choose a specific service like GCash and enter the recipient's wallet number. If you selected Direct to Bank Account, you'll need to provide the recipient's IBAN and name. Once you've entered all the necessary details, review your payment information. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer and the money will be sent to the recipient's country. That's how you send money using MoneyGram.